Okay, here is the loom I'm going to try and refit. Now I didn't do any labelling on this, mainly because the plugs that go into everything, they should be different in some way. So, okay, well, the plugs are the same. I'm going to have to go and look back on some previous videos and see what plugs came out of where. I'll go see what I can find out. Okay, so I know that this plug here goes to the speed controller, and this one here goes into this contactor box. Okay, what else do I need to hook up? Here we go, so I got one for the throttle assembly. Okay, I think that might be it. Because a lot of this stuff is just for unnecessary things, like you've got the headlights, the horn, all the gauges and that stuff. The only other wire I know of at the moment that does anything is just, I've got this wire here, and this is just the on-off switch that turn the forklift on and off. So I think I'm going to find a way to sit the batteries up there, then I'll see if I can get anything to move. Here's something else I completely forgot, the forward and reverse switch. Let's see if I can find where that plugs in. Here we go, plug that in there. Now these boards, now when I had the batteries in the forklift, like in the first video, I had them sitting in a square kind of pattern, which was good because it meant that, well, all the cables fit where they need to. So what I'm going to do is just put them in the middle up here in a square pattern, and just start hooking things up as they were in the forklift. Okay, I'm going to connect these two up. That. Now, the last connection is this. I will jack the rear wheels off the ground, just in case anything happens. Okay, rear wheels off the ground. Let's see if this makes any sparks. Nope. Okay, 52 volts. Okay. Next step is going to be to flick the switch. These ones here. I think I'm going to get the switch that wasn't here and reconnect it up, just so I've got something, instead of just twisting the wires together, I've got something mechanical I can actually rip out or something like that.